Welcome to my channel, Bigboomriver.
Okay, this hand is quite insane, playing 100 zoom. And I admit already, yes, it looks very fishy, but I still love this hand. So, what happens? A fish, limbs, I ISO, more nitty regs, 3-bets. Another reg cold calls the 3-bet. The fish calls, and now we are priced in, so we call. Let's see a flop. You see 100 zoom, not dead yet. Flop comes super interesting. 6-5-4 with a flush draw. We already know the reg here out of position is going to probably check range. Cool calling range of the other reg here contains mainly something like pocket 8s to pocket queens, I would say. And of course suited broadways. The fish can have whatever, so God knows. So, and now action is getting checked to me. Knowing that the reg in the big blind probably has me beat, so I think likeliest hand there's something like pocket 10s. Still made me bet here, because I'm pretty confident that with a turn shove I can make him fold most of the hands, because yes, given the random range of the fish, I will have the nut advantage here, because I am the only player that can have 7-8 suited. Yes, maybe the fish too, but he can have also 10-9 suited or whatever. And I have in highest frequency all the sets, like 6s, 5s and 4s. So with betting here, first I can deny equity against random ace-king holdings. I generate value against the fish, and I'm pretty confident in bluffing the reg of his overpairs here. So I decide to bet. And the reg here goes for a min raise. Now I'm pretty convinced he has pocket 10s. So that's the hand I put him on. The fish calls. And what do we do here? Yes, there's definitely a reason for folding, because we are pretty sure that this guy has us beat. But I'm also pretty convinced if we just 3-bet rip it here, he hates his life when he has just pocket 10s, jacks, queens, whatever. And sometimes he will have also a flush draw where we are flipping against. This $40 or 40 big blinds are, in my opinion, basically dead money. Of course, could be some 2-pair, whatever, but it is in too high frequency just trash. So what I did, results orientated, looks a little bit like a boss move. We shove. The reg tanks forever. Lets it go. And as planned, the fish calls. And we get absolute maximum value. Like, it's on the same time a bluff against him and a valued shove against him. And we, of course, hold and scoop a very nice board. Very nice pot. Let me know. Rates this play in, or on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 is whale and 10 is, yeah, super sicko. See you on the next one.
Good luck! See you at the tables! Email me for coaching or affiliate deals!